Higher order thinking question.
A house has 3 tube lights, 2 fans and a television. Each tube light draws 40 watts. The fan draws 80 watts and the television draws 60 watts. On the average, all the tube lights are kept on for 5 hours, 2 fans for 12 hours and the television for 5 hours every day. Find the cost of electric energy used in 30 days at rate of rupees 3 per kilowatt hour. Solution. Let us calculate the cost of electrical energy for the appliances used in a house for a month. According to the given information, a house has 3 tube lights, 2 fans and a television. Calculation of energy consumption of 3 tube lights. Given that 3 tube lights is on for 5 hours a day and power drawn by each tube light per hour is 40 watt. Energy consumption ET by 3 tube lights per day is equal to number of working hours into power consumption per hour into number of tube lights. That is equal to 5 hours into 40 watt into 3. That is equal to 60 watt hour. Calculation of energy consumption of 2 fans. Given that 2 fans are on for 12 hours a day and power drawn by each fan per hour is 80 watt. Energy consumption EF by fans in 1 day. EF is equal to number of working hours into power consumption per hour into number of fans. That is equal to 12 hours into 80 watt into 2. That is equal to 1920 watt hour. Calculation of energy consumption of a television. Given that television is on for 5 hours a day and power drawn by television per hour is 60 watt. Energy consumption ETE by television in a day. ETE is equal to number of working hours into power consumption per hour. That is equal to 5 hours into 60 watt. That is equal to 300 watt hour. Thus, total energy consumption in a day. E is equal to ET plus EF plus ETE is equal to 600 watt hour plus 1920 watt hour plus 300 watt hour is equal to 2820 watt hour. Energy consumed by appliances in 30 days is equal to 2820 watt hour into 30, that is equal to 84,600 watt hour, that is equal to 84.6 into kilowatt hour. Cost of electrical energy is equal to rupees 3 into 84.6, that is equal to 253.8 rupees.